Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another vlog, and here I am sharing what I did in the first day of shopping in Lahore. Oh my god, I think I spent more time just looking at the surroundings, the buildings, and yes, the truck art as well, and seeing what was changed, kya badla, kya nahi badla in the salon mein. So it was really an eye-opener for me. Everything had changed. I mean, the layout of the roads had changed, of course. There were lots of bypasses. This Liberty roundabout was no longer a roundabout. Kalma Jog had disappeared. There's just so many changes. But there were things there that were still there 10 years ago. And that's what I was looking forward to, such as Liberty Market. Liberty Market has got to be one of my favorite places in this world, I would say, for shopping. I absolutely love it. I still love it. I loved it 10 years ago. I loved it before then, and it's just wonderful, and it's not changed, and it's just as rustling, hustle bustle, and just wonderful. You'll find all the latest items, fashion items here, like the latest jewelry here, and kusse and kapre and all sorts of things. I had a fantastic time here. This was the first day back, so I didn't buy too much from here. In fact, I hardly bought anything. I was just mesmerized and actually just spent time just absorbing everything. But later on I did come back and quickly did buy a couple of jewelry pieces. I wish I had actually more time to spend in Liberty. Each time I went, I only had one other opportunity to go back. And honestly, I think it's worth spending time here to get any sort of item that you have, especially for the wedding. So I would recommend this. And we had, of course, some jene, buneve, which was nice. And we also had paradise ice cream. I've had that after 10 years, so that I believe the taste had slightly changed, a little bit changed. It wasn't, can't describe how it was, but it's slightly changed, like 10% you could say it's changed, but it was still good to have. I still enjoyed it. And then we went on to Alam Road. We went into Ethnic. I've never been into Ethnic before. It's a massive store and it's wonderful. Highly recommend going into there. They have changing rooms as well, so you can try on the clothes, and excellent variety of clothes. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.